If you're looking to show your mom appreciation and create unforgettable memories, consider engaging in a fun activity together. From going on a shopping spree or visiting the zoo to enjoying a karaoke session or exploring a local farmer's market, there are plenty of options to suit her interest. You could also dive into trivia games, create a time capsule or gratitude jar, volunteer for a cause she cares about, or spend time tracing your family tree. If distance is a barrier, a virtual family reunion can help reconnect her with loved ones. Other memorable experiences could include a photo shoot, attending an art exhibition, or taking a paint and sip class. You might also bond over crafting, flower arranging, cooking a cherished family recipe, or even a cooking class. For a delightful twist, indulge her in a wine tasting or treat her to a mimosa brunch, ensuring your time together is both meaningful and enjoyable.